Hello guys and welcome to TechRex tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to check plagiarism in Grammarly. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to our Grammarly website right here. So as you can see right here, I'm already on my account right here. Then all we have to do to check the plagiarism is to click your work right here. So let's say for example that this is your work that you want to check plagiarism with. And so once we do that, as you can see, this window popped up, and then on the left screen you will see text that you have, and then on the right screen you will see the review suggestions, and then after that you will see this check for plagiarism and AI text. So all we have to do is to click this one, and as you can see we have here the pro version. So you need to have a pro version for you to check the plagiarism in Grammarly. Then the other way is to go on another tab and search for Grammarly plagiarism, and then check the first link, and then just paste this one right here, and then check for plagiarism. So this one is free, you can get this for free, and then let's wait for this to finish. And as you can see right here, we have found a significant plagiarism on this text right here. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechTrex tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.